In this video, I will show you how to highlight weekend dates in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a list of orders containing total order amounts and dates in these columns. Now I want to highlight the orders that were placed in weekends in light yellow color. To do that, I will use the Excel weekday function. The weekday function returns the day of the week for the given date. This function takes two arguments, a date and an optional return type. This table contains possible return type values that we can use. By default, the weekday function returns a number between 1 and 7 for Sunday to Saturday. We can use any of these values to get a particular day as the first day of the week. For this case, I will use the return type 2 to get Monday as the first day of the week. For example, this weekday formula will return 1 for the date of Monday. Similarly, these weekday formulas will return the day of the week 1 to 7 for dates of Monday to Sunday respectively. As you can see, the weekday function returns 6 and 7 for Saturday and Sunday. Let's create a formatting rule based on the formula. Select the range of the cells containing order dates. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option and then select the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will enter this formula that checks if the day of the week for the order dates is either 6 or 7 using the OR function. I will use the first cell in the range, cell C3 in the formula. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background to yellow, select the Fill tab from the top. I am going to choose the light yellow color as the background. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the order date is a weekend date. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the date cells containing the date of Saturday or Sunday are highlighted in a light yellow color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means that if you modify any value, the format will be changed automatically. For example, if we change any cell value to make it a weekend date, the selected format will be applied automatically. Similarly, if we make any formatted cell value a weekday date, the yellow background color will be removed like this. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.